The sun's going down. We set up the tent, and Siraj just got back from packrafting. Now he's eating his nice dinner. But the sun went down. As you can see, the sunset from before, those videos were crazy. But we got like the best sight here, which is surprising because there's other people. We're on this like point. The reservoir goes over there and goes all the way around. So after this, we've decided we can have a fire. Some people over there are having a fire, but I don't know. We're gonna have to get up early tomorrow, and there's not that much wood on this point, so.
I'd rather have a fire in like Relief Valley.
Yeah.
I think.
After this, we're probably just gonna stay up, maybe see some stars. It's kind of cloudy, but we'll see.
We're probably better off stars next few days.
Yeah, might just turn in after this, to be honest.
Yeah.
We gotta wake up early and get to Immigrant Lake. But yep. We made it to Sheep's Camp. It's really flat. I don't think we could have made it here last night, so I'm glad we stopped at Relief. We finally made it to Immigrant Lake.
Lived up to the hype, I think.
I don't see the island though. I don't think it was an island. Maybe it's further down that way.
No, there was an island that you saw, right?
I thought so.
You saw it from higher up.
It's a nice little beach here.
Yeah, this is gorgeous.
Yeah. Alright, we have to hike along this lake. It's like stinking mile, 2 miles long. And then at the far end, there should be a good campsite that we can take.
Another beach like this, I think. Ooh, deer print in the sand.
It's an interesting gate.
I love how it doesn't open.
Did they just jam a horseshoe in this log?
Yes.
Yes, they did. I think we just go around.
I'm not using the gate.
Some deja vu.
Why does every park we go to?
At least they asked us nicely.
Yeah. I'll have to fall into the water. But you know, this would be fun and exciting.
Ooh.
Living on the edge here. That looks like a nice jump right there.
I would not trust that.
I don't know, it's pretty clear water.
I say let's get to the campsite.
Alright, fine. We won't die today.
Great success. So the cloud situation has progressed. We're getting our tent set up. As you can see behind,
Storm clouds are building above.
it's right over there. It's not looking amazing. It's reached the far end of the lake pretty much. So it's like 2 miles away. So we're just gonna get this tent set up and probably cook the food and stuff everything inside the tent. Well, not everything, but
Everything important.
everything we don't want to get wet. Hopefully it won't come this way. It seems like it's moving like over there. Cue the wind. Oh, look at the water. Might want to stake it down. My hat. There goes my hat. Okay, we'll set this up and yeah, bye.
We might be okay. We'll see. Hopefully it passes and we get that over there. But we were getting wind from over here. So better prepared for rain than not is the case. Alright, I'm gonna move all our stuff real quick. Alright, so we scrambled to get the tent cinched down. And I think we did a damn good job. Looks very nice. We're not sure if we are gonna get hit by wind, but we're moving everything over here and we're making sure everything essential is in the tent and stays dry. I think we'll probably cook Mountain House just in case things do get worse and we're not able to cook except in the tent. I don't want to cook in the tent.
Yeah. Thanks.
There are still mosquitoes despite it being the end times. Just goes to show how persistent they are. So yeah, Garrett did a really good job with the vestibule here. So if we need to move our bags in, I have mine under a pine tree. But if we do need to move them in, we'll be okay. I think we're just about to cook some Mountain House right here. And then maybe I'll go fishing, but
It's a little windy.
yeah, not the best weather. I did cast the line a couple of times earlier today.
Clearing up over there.
Yeah, it's getting a little bit clear over there.
It was moving this way.
It looks like clear skies that way. So, I don't know. We're guessing that this is the same type of like environment that created the storm yesterday from pressure because it hit around the same time.
Yeah.
But the storm yesterday wasn't even that bad. So I think let's just get started on Mountain House then.
Yeah, definitely. Doesn't seem like very much water. Stir it. Never had this one.
I recommend it.
Smells good. Alright.
Sealing that up.
Oh.
Okay, I think it's time to start on the mac and cheese. We'll see how it matches up to the Backpacker's Pantry mac and cheese. We'll see how this turns out. Make sure I don't lose my fork in there. That'd be quite unepic.
Doesn't smell half bad. Looks a little watery, but
Yeah, I added an extra ounce of water. Hopefully it rehydrates. So
sounds still pretty windy. So
yeah, glad we got it cinched down.
Although we are chilling, like it's not even really hitting us.
yeah, we got a nice blockade of trees
Definitely the move coming over here.
all around us, pretty much. Yeah, it's a good thing we're eating now, because something did happen and
Nothing's guaranteed.
I don't want to go hungry.
Yeah. Lessons learned.
Yeah.
A lot of lessons learned. Honestly, thank God for that trip.
Yeah.
Better mess up there and be okay than mess up somewhere else and not.
By the way, that trip is the Snow Mountain trip.
The trip. We don't say its name.
Yeah. The trip that should not be named. Alright. Mine's almost done, I think.
Alright.
I'm gonna get my
I'm waiting for 5 minutes.
my net on like he has, because the mosquitoes are bad.
Yeah.
Is he still on?
Yep. You recording?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Rainbow was
Shit. Oh, he's pretty big. Fuck no. Oh.
on recording, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that counts. On recording, it counts.
Yeah, you never want to lift him out of the water with the lure still on. You just
Yeah,
leave him
shoot.
in there and then take him out.
Grab him.
Yeah.
Yeah, we don't have pliers, so that kind of worked out.
He was bigger than I thought. Damn. A lot bigger than I thought.
I might keep casting, honestly.
Okay. Yeah. They're out there. Yeah, just like that. It's gonna be very full.
Okay.
As always.
That is very full.
Oh yeah. Perfecto.
All right, update. We tried drinking hot chocolate on the beach. We did a little bit, but we retreated to the tent after drinking a little. So,
Too many mosquitoes.
yeah, definitely better in here than our cinched down to hell tent. Also, I think the stakes at the sides give us a little more room here.
Oh yeah. It's not as
Not as tight at the sides, yeah. So yeah, we're just gonna drink this, and then Garrett's getting back out, but I'm staying in here for the rest of the night.
lucky you. I have to put my stuff away.
Whatever goes, goes.
Interesting attitude.
Can you toss maybe my like hat in the vegetable? That's it. I think. All
That's
right.
probably a good idea.
All right. I'm gonna finish what's left of this. I should probably check. Any stragglers in there?
Any floaters?
Looks clean.
They probably got mixed in.
Probably. Good old what was it? Fisherman Joe's 2-time and special.
Good. Some
What do you
extra
do you have any in
calories.
there?
I hope not.
Doesn't
No,
look like it.
thankfully.
All right. No extra protein tonight then. Unfortunate, but what can you do? All right.
Damn. They're everywhere. They're big too. There's so many jumping out there. See if I can get one. All right, we're about to leave Immigrant Lake. We have all our stuff packed up, and we're probably gonna go to, what was it, Buck Lake, on the way back to either Upper Relief Valley or Relief Reservoir again. If we can make it that far, it's like 14 something miles back to Relief Reservoir.
Yep.
So like, if we get that, it would be less hiking on the last day. So, but no luck fishing this morning. Siraj only caught that one last night.
Saw a good few follow the lure back in.
Yeah, they're still jumping out there. But
Guess we need to try different lures.
yeah, or they're picky, I don't know. But yeah, let's we gotta just get back to the trail. We're leaving our private beach behind. It served us well. Thankfully that storm never came in last night, and looks really clear this morning, so looking up. It's over there looking at us. I was just drinking. There it goes.
All right, well,
This way, maybe?
yeah, we were trying to make a shortcut. Unfortunately, this lake is not on a map, I don't think. So I guess we'll go this way.
Another indestructible fence. I don't know how we'll get past. Oh wait, never mind. Let me just all right, there we go.
Oh,
Problem solved.
I thought we had to turn back.
Yeah. lake, right? We're just gonna filter at a Deer Lake. Yeah, it's another 2 miles down. It's a little bit more busy though, as you can see. There's a few people. There's more people that way with like dogs and stuff. All right, let's get back to it. It's a good jumping rock. Another break for a nice Cliff Bar.
Alright, we stopped here in Salt Lake Meadow. We have our last uphill ahead of us. Doesn't even look that bad, but
We'll pan over a little bit to your right.
but then yeah, we're contending with that. So we'll see if we stop in Relief Valley or in Relief Reservoir. I'd be good with either, but we're keeping our options open.
Yeah. All right, we've decided to push on past the valley just over there, and we're gonna try to make it to Relief Reservoir, but we dropped our packs because we had to see this amazing view from the top. Those rocks are crazy.
So we decided that this spot is good as any. It's kind of close to Immigrant, or to Relief. You can see it past that over there. So we're gonna camp here tonight, filter water, have our mountain house, hopefully have a fire, and hopefully make hot chocolate on that fire. Who knows?
Sounds good to me.
Yeah, we have like a 4-mile hike tomorrow, and that should breeze by pretty easy.
I'm ready to eat. Get the tent
too.
set up.
I concur with these thoughts.
This guy's looking a little ominous again.
Should probably prepare for the worst in case it actually happens tonight.
Yeah. Get the fly on and everything.